Ki khubor ka bate se TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Sien Kaba Babu Aristotle Rymbai ula Shah Jied biang manshimti kumu President jangka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body haka jingalang jangka General Executive Committee kabalalong haka arpun rutrik unaitung aja pesan hador bar hall riat samthia shillong. How kerwo balapha shkila pathai kubor Chairman jangka Election Committee ke Meghalaya SSA School Association uba Visitorlin Kharkungor ula pentip baki dongkit kam bathmai bala Jied haka ni kejialang na kebenta ke samoy trikam jang usnem arhajar arpusan arhajar apupra kikentup yau Babu greeting nyauta ubabu Matthias di Shira ubabu Francis Wanyang bat uba JJ Lingkhoy kum ki Vice President ubabu Ralbinglan El Nonglan kum General Secretary Ubabu Marcus Lapasam kumu Assistant Secretary, Ubabu Renda Marak kumu Joint Secretary, Ubabu Final Langbang kumu Finance Secretary, but Ubabu Friday Rymbai kumu Publicity Secretary.
Re-elected me as President and all the office bearers. This shows that you have the trust in our leadership and also in the association. As I always used to say, that we only leaders, we cannot do anything. You are our strength, you are our pillars. If you, the block and the district leaders are not there, only us, we cannot achieve as what we have already achieved as of now. So I request to all of you to please continue your support, cooperation with the office bearer of the central body as you have done in the last 3 years, and we will continue to work as a team.
Mentarasi ke arpun retorik benar benyo arajar pesan Nakaliang jungi kungi members jongka Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association layo mi pelong ya ka GEC meeting hakaba hakani ka meeting ilayo banjit yakin nongkit kam nakabenta usnam arhajar apsan hadu arhajar atupra bagi kerteng kilong kumne ya kapos yung president Jied is Aristotle Rymbai, Vice President Matthias di Shira nang tay sa greeting nyota nang tay sa Jeliu J. Lingkhoy but is Francis Wanyang. General Secretary sa Rabinal L. Nonglan, Assistant Secretary Marcus Lapasam, Finance Secretary sa Final Langbang, Joint Secretary Renda Marak, Publicity Secretary Friday Rymbai. Tingi ay kublay baro yakini kinongkit kam tiba thamai ban ikirmenru ban ingej kam hoblehi bo nyalam yakini kinonyalam gijongi ba kinang penyat yakikam basa teng jongi kum kinong gi kai SSA hakani jelahi borok kawe tangini kempini kubleshibun
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hakador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka amtang kata kawe ki sopti kadai kawe ki design tang naka benta jongphi wan Jied nok loi na molai moro bat na mod pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra